Hey you there, have you ever wanted to add custom animations to the player, but you just couldn't really figure out how? Well, this video is for you. So what you want to do is go to MCreator.net, and then go to the search bar, and just type in whatever you want. It doesn't have to be anything, because we're not going to use this. Go to MCreator plugins, and then what you want to do now is click this, and then type in Player Animator, search, and then you should see it right here. Player Animator, Forge 1.18.2 to 1.21.1. Now, what you'll do is click on it. So scroll all the way down to download it, whatever version you have. This is the one I have. And what you want to do is download it. Once you finish downloading it, go to MCreator. And as you can see, I'm on MCreator. So what you want to do now is go to Preferences, click on that, and then click on Manage Plugins, then Load Plugins, and then just import the plugin. That's all you have to do. And then once you're done with that, go to whatever mod you're going to do. I'm going to do the tutorial gun for this video thing, that workspace I made. So let's let that load in. Okay, finished loading in. So what you want to do now is go to top right, workspace settings, and then click on external APIs, kind of like how you enable GeckoLib, and then this thing, Player Animator, should pop up. Click on that and then save changes. Yes, refactor workspace. So now all you gotta do is wait for that. Okay, so now that it finished loading, what we can go ahead and do is go back to workspace. What I want to do is make a little sit animation, something like that. And what you want to do is open up Block Bench. And once you do that, I forgot to mention, before closing out the player animator, what you gotta do is download the official BB model, and I'm gonna download that. So it's right here. So what you wanna do is download the model, click Control-Shift-S or whatever it says. All right, so now once you do that, you can close out of it. So then what you want to do is File, and then Open Model, and open up the model that you got from Blockbench. And it should look like this. But so what you want to do is on the top right, click on Animate, and then click plus icon, and then name whatever animation you want to whatever. I'm going to name it Sit. And play once. What I'm going to make it do is just have a little sit animation. If y'all can follow along if you want. So here's the sitting animation. Okay, so now what you want to do is save this, and what you want to do is name this Player Animations and save it to wherever you want, and then go ahead and exit out of Blockbench. Alright, so what you want to do now is in MCreator, this little tiny arrow, click on that. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Resources, Assets, whatever mod workspace you have. What you want to do is now is whatever workspace thing on Assets, right click it and show an Explorer. Alright, what you want to do is now, once you're here, click on that. Now make a folder, name it player_animation. Now drag playeranimations.json into the folder. Alright, so now I dragged it in. So I'm gonna exit out of it, and then boom, it pops up. Alright, so now we can go ahead and do is drag that down. So what you want to do is go here, create a procedure, name it setup animations. Once it loads in, go to no additional trigger, and then type in player, setup player animations, and then just save it. So now for the sit animation, what I'm going to do is making a new keybind. Alright, so what I'm going to do is name it sit animation. Something like that, I don't know. And the key that triggers it, maybe how about it be X or something like that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is on key pressed, and go to player animator, and then do if entity / target entity is player, play animation. I'm just going to name it, I'm just going to type in sit because that's the name of the animation I made it. And ignore active animations. So I guess that can be set to true. Alright, so there we go. I'm just going to save both of those and then try this out in the game. Okay, so here we are in the game, and as you can see, I'm playing the default animations and whatnot. So I'm going to press X to see if the animation works. And as you can see, it works. Yeah, that's pretty much how you can make animated player animations. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more tutorials like this, comment down. I'll be happy to make them. See you guys in the next one.